Are you afraid to fall behind in the tech race? AI is everywhere right now, and it's like the tech world just got flipped on its head. That's why, in this video, we're diving deep into the 6 AI tools that you absolutely need to know about. We're not just scratching the surface here though, we're talking step-by-step instructions, tips, and tricks to get the absolute most out of each tool. Whether you're a creative pro, a student trying to stay ahead, or just curious about what all the hype is about, this video has got you covered. Make sure you stick around until the end, because I'm going to be showing you how to combine all of these tools to supercharge your workflow. So, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button for the algorithm, and let's jump right into it. First up, we've got ChatGPT, the AI that's taking the world by storm. Now, if you haven't heard of this one, you've probably been living under a rock. Seriously, it's everywhere. But seriously, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that can literally talk to you like a real person. Imagine having a conversation with a machine that understands you. We're talking about having full-blown conversations, asking it to write different kinds of creative content, translate languages, write different kinds of creative text formats, and so much more. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. To get started, head over to chat.openai.com and create an account. The process is super simple and quick. It's completely free to use, which is insane considering how powerful it is. You get access to this incredible tool without spending a dime. Once you're in, you'll see a text box where you can start typing in your requests. It's as easy as sending a message to a friend. Want to know the capital of France? Just ask. ChatGPT will give you the answer in seconds. Need help writing a killer email? ChatGPT's got you. It can draft professional emails, friendly messages, or anything in between. But here's the pro tip. Be specific with your prompts. The more detail you provide, the better the response you'll get. The more detail you give ChatGPT, the better the results you're going to get. It's all about clarity and precision. For example, instead of just saying write me an email, try something like write me a professional email to a potential client, offering my services as a freelance graphic designer. This way, ChatGPT knows exactly what you need. See the difference? Specific prompts lead to more accurate and useful responses. And the best part is, ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving. It's designed to get better the more you use it. So the more you use it, the better it gets. It's like having a friend who understands you more and more each day. Trust me, once you start using ChatGPT, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. It's a game changer in every sense of the word. Next up, we're jumping into the fascinating world of AI image generation with DALL-E 2, a groundbreaking tool developed by OpenAI. This technology feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, bringing futuristic concepts to life. Essentially, you provide DALL-E with a text description of what you want to see, and it generates a completely unique image based on your words. It's like magic, but powered by advanced algorithms. Want to see a cat riding a unicorn through space? DALL-E can do that with ease, creating fantastical scenes that stretch the imagination. How about a realistic portrait of a dog wearing a monocle and a top hat? No problem at all. DALL-E can handle quirky and sophisticated requests alike. To start creating your own AI-generated masterpieces, head over to openai.com/doll-e-2 and sign up for an account. It's a simple process that opens up a world of creative possibilities. Once you're in, you'll see a text box where you can enter your prompts. This is where the magic begins. Just like with ChatGPT, the key here is to be as specific as possible. The more details you provide, the more accurate and impressive the generated image will be. Instead of just saying a cat riding a unicorn, try something like a fluffy Persian cat with green eyes riding a rainbow-colored unicorn through a galaxy filled with swirling nebulas. The specificity will enhance the final result. The more descriptive you are, the more detailed and mind-blowing your images will be. It's all about painting a vivid picture with your words. And don't be afraid to get weird with it. That's half the fun of using DALL-E. The more creative and out-of-the-box your ideas, the more unique and entertaining the results. You can even upload your own images and have DALL-E generate variations of them. This feature allows for endless experimentation and creativity. It's like having an infinite art studio at your fingertips where the only limit is your imagination. With DALL-E, the possibilities are truly endless. Okay, let's face it, not all of us are grammar wizards, but that's where Grammarly comes in. This AI-powered writing assistant is like having a personal editor on call 24/7. Grammarly checks your spelling, grammar, punctuation, clarity, and even your tone of voice. It's like having a mini English teacher built right into your browser. To get started, head over to Grammarly.com and create a free account. Once you've installed the browser extension, Grammarly will automatically start checking your writing everywhere you type online. From emails and social media posts to essays and even work documents, Grammarly's got you covered. But here's the thing. Grammarly isn't just about fixing mistakes. It's also about helping you become a better writer. It provides detailed explanations for each correction, so you can learn from your mistakes and improve your writing over time. And if you're struggling to find the right words, Grammarly's synonym suggestions can help you add some extra flair to your writing. Trust me, whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, Grammarly is an essential tool that will take your writing to the next level. Chapter 4, Jasper AI, Supercharge Your Content Creation. Now if you're a content creator, you need to know about Jasper AI. This AI-powered writing tool is like having a team of copywriters at your beck and call. Jasper can help you generate blog posts, social media captions, website copy, video scripts, and even entire books. Seriously, this thing is a beast. To get started, head over to jasper.ai and sign up for a free trial. Once you're in, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to use. Just tell Jasper what you want to write about, and it will generate high-quality content in seconds. But here's the pro tip. Use Jasper's Boss Mode. This unlocks even more features and gives you more control over the output. You can even give Jasper specific keywords and phrases to include in your content. And if you're not happy with the first draft, no problem. Jasper makes it easy to edit and refine your content until it's perfect. Trust me, once you start using Jasper, you'll be churning out content faster than ever before. Chapter 5. Lumen 5, Effortless Video Creation. Alright, let's talk video. Lumen 5 is an AI-powered video creation platform that makes it incredibly easy to create professional-looking videos, even if you have zero video editing experience. We're talking about stunning visuals, animations, music, and more. To get started, head over to lumen5.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you can choose from a library of pre-designed templates or start from scratch. Lumen 5 even has a built-in AI script generator that can help you come up with video ideas and write engaging scripts. But here's the real game changer. Lumen 5 can automatically turn your blog posts or articles into videos. Just paste in your text and Lumen 5 will do the rest, adding images, videos, and music to create a visually appealing and engaging video. Trust me, if you're looking for an easy and affordable way to create high-quality videos, Lumen 5 is the tool for you. Chapter 6. Copy.ai, Never Struggle with Copywriting Again. Finally, we have Copy.ai, an AI-powered copywriting tool that can help you write more effective and persuasive copy for your website, ads, emails, and more. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, Copy.ai can save you countless hours and help you produce high-quality content effortlessly. We're talking about headlines that grab attention, making sure your audience stops scrolling and starts reading. These headlines are crafted to pique curiosity and draw readers in, calls to action that convert, guiding your audience to take the next step, whether it's signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or downloading a resource. These CTAs are designed to be irresistible, and product descriptions that make people want to buy. These descriptions highlight the benefits and features of your products in a way that resonates with potential customers, making them more likely to hit that buy button. To get started, head over to Copy.ai and sign up for a free trial. The sign-up process is quick and easy, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you're in, you can choose from a variety of copywriting templates, each tailored to different needs and industries. These templates are a great starting point and can be customized to fit your specific requirements. Or you can start from scratch, giving you complete creative freedom. Just tell Copy.ai what you're trying to sell or promote, and it will generate a variety of copy options for you to choose from. Simply input the details of your product or service and let Copy.ai do the rest. It uses advanced algorithms to understand your needs and create compelling copy that speaks directly to your audience. And it will generate a variety of copy options for you to choose from. You can review these options and select the one that best fits your brand voice and message. But here's the pro tip. Use Copy.ai S-ADA framework template. This classic copywriting formula will help you structure your copy in a way that is proven to convert. AIDA stands for Attention, Interest, Desire, and Action, and it's a powerful tool for crafting persuasive messages. This classic copywriting formula will help you structure your copy in a way that is proven to convert. By following the AIDA framework, you can ensure that your copy captures attention, builds interest, creates desire, and prompts action. And if you're not sure which copy option is best, don't worry. Copy.ai has you covered with its A/B testing feature. You can use Copy.ai A/B testing feature to test different versions of your copy and see which one performs best. This feature allows you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your copy for maximum impact, and see which one performs best. By analyzing the results, you can refine your copy and continuously improve your marketing efforts. Trust me, if you're serious about improving your copywriting, Copy.ai is an essential tool that can help you take your marketing to the next level. It's like having a professional copywriter at your fingertips, ready to assist you whenever you need. Copy.ai is an essential tool that can help you take your marketing to the next level. So why wait? Give it a try and see the difference it can make for your business. So there you have it, 6 must-know AI tools that can seriously level up your workflow. From writing and image generation to video creation and copywriting, these tools are changing the game. And the best part is, most of them offer free trials or free plans, so you can try them out before you commit. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.